Do you know how many people flew by a scheduled airline in 2024? A record 4.8 billion persons traveled by commercial airlines last year, exceeding the high of pre-pandemic of 4.5 billion in 2019. This number is expected to rise to 12.4 billion by 2050, making civil aviation one of the key sectors of global economy. Each year, 7th December is observed as World Civil Aviation Day to mark the signing of a global convention on civil aviation and formation of International Civil Aviation Organization as part of UN. Soon after the first flight by Wright brothers in 1903, civil aviation emerged as an industry. In 1909, German government funded creation of DeLaG, the first scheduled airline of the world, which used Zeppelin airships for luxury passenger travel and mail delivery. The first airline with fixed-wing aircraft was the St. Petersburg Tampa Airboat Line that began flying in United States in 1914. Soon after first international flight began, when British Airline Air Transport and Travel operated its inaugural flight on 25 August 1919 between London and Paris. Since then, civil aviation has come a long way. Today, there are over 720 scheduled airlines in the world flying between over 10,000 recognized airports globally. The largest civil aviation market is United States, with over 876 million passengers, followed by China at 741 million, United Kingdom at 261 million and Spain at 241 million passengers in 2024. American Airlines is world's largest airline with capacity of 275.5 million seats in 2024, an increase of 6.5% compared to 2023. It operated over 2.2 million flights in the year. United, another American carrier, which has more international flights than American Airlines, flew the furthest with over 507.1 billion total available seat kilometer, or the number of available seats on a flight multiplied by the distance flown in kilometers. American Airlines and Delta, another US carrier, both have 1,006 aircraft each in their fleets, the most in the world. Ryanair operated 5,442 routes in 2024, the highest in world. In India, largest airline is Indigo, with annual capacity of 135 million seats, almost 55% of total Indian capacity. It is also the airline with highest aircraft ordered, a total of 951 for which delivery is awaited. Hartsfield-Jackson Airport in Atlanta is world's busiest airport with over 110 million passengers, while Dubai is world's busiest international airport. In India, Delhi Airport is the busiest domestic and international airport.